Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well, having a great time. So, I was making different videos. So I thought, why not? Should I come up with something interesting, something different? And obviously, all the opportunities are cancelled, all the conferences are being cancelled, and we are just coming up with online courses, and many of them are giving online courses. But what if I upload something which is different and unique? So I tried something new, and today I this video is specially for those people who want to work for themselves, who want to open up their YouTube channel, who want to open up their Facebook bar, like Facebook pages, or they want to earn from the internet basically, or they want to kind of open up their own website or whatever. So if you have a thought like that, so you have to come meet up with a thing called SEO, search engine optimization. So if you go from search engine optimization, and basically search engine optimization is a algorithm method or whatever you can say, including different things which different search engine uses, like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask, whatever, DuckDuckGo. They uses this technique to show the result for the certain keyword being searched on a search engine. So as you can see, I just searched search engine, and you can see there are different and thousands of results right here, but they haven't studied SEO pretty much well, or they haven't done things very well, or the Google is thinking that their content is not that good and this content is way much better than this one, so that's why this content is right here. So YouTube is doing the same, all the search engines are doing the same. So basically, if I would never say that SEO, you can understand SEO by just a single search on YouTube or Google. It's a very complicated, not that complicated process, but it is a bit complicated process, having different tiny things you need to consider before starting. So let's just tell you what I have today for you guys. And if you search Crick Campbell is no doubt a singer, a very well-known singer in America. But I am talking about Crick Campbell right here, this big guy. So this is a great guy. He has an experience of 18 years of SEO and SEO marketing and different things, consulting, training, link building. These are all the terms in used in SEO for ranking your whatever you want to rank. So for he's offering different courses right here. So let's just see advanced SEO course. You can also go for basic SEO course, but let's check this out. 999 pounds. It's like 1100 something dollars. I really don't know, but this is the price of the course, which will include all this right here. So this is just one thing. So basically the thing is, SEO is a very complicated thing. It's 550 pounds plus VAT. So as you can see right here, this is the things which will be covered in this course. Why people are enrolling? Don't you think that no one has ever bought this plan? Obviously many and many of people have bought this plan. It's a great guy, Craig Campbell. I I just don't know what to say, but he is a really absolute brilliant in these SEO and this internet kind of things. So he's offering these courses, and if you even though search for SEO courses on the other websites, it is a very costly course and it's a highly paid course. People pay for this course and they kind of learn things. So basically, right now, this Craig Campbell, the guy is kind of, this is the link I will be giving you in the description. This is another website from the Craig Campbell right here. So as you can see, he's offering another course which is $1200, which is affiliate course of SEO, expert SEO marketing blog. But here it is, expert SEO and marketing blog, 154 lessons, which says right here free. So you need to click on that if you want to learn SEO from basic till expert, and these are the topics he will be covering. You can just kind of go next and next and different kind of things. I also like, I being an IT student or IT engineer, I have found something which is kind of worth my interest as well. But I have studied SEO in my university in the practical world. I am also running my own online businesses, but thanks to Mr. Craig Campbell, I have learned different things which I already didn't knew about this course, or about SEO. I'm sorry. So it's free. It's totally free. You just need to click on Get Started Now. When you click on Get Started Now, the course will come up right here. You just need to, if you have an account, you need to create an account, like first name, last name, email address, password numbers, and things like that. And you'll get a confirmation email. You will be kind of confirmed, and after that you are just supposed to click on sign in. I have already started the course, and the course will directly pop up in front of you. And it will be like, here you can see, for me it's kind of resume course, but for you it will be like kind of start course. So the course will be started in front of you, and it's a very unique thing. I have also completed this course because I am uh, like uploading. I have uploaded different things, and I haven't, being honest with you, I haven't started any course because it was not worth my interest. But this course is, and if you guys have some plan for SEO, for YouTube, for website, for Facebook, for Amazon affiliate marketing, whatever, SEO is basic for that. Trust me, it is. So I wish you guys all the very best. This is the list of the programs he will cover, and each topic has different lessons right here. So which each and every lesson is covered through a video tutorial. Then like practically he's showing it, and within text as well. So you will learn many different things. So thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing. Join us on WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever, and you will find all the links to our social accounts, so that you don't miss any update and be our unique follower. So thank you so much for watching.